Gumtree, another fantastic place to find some deals. Don't get me wrong, you're not going to get loads from this, but the leads that come through from your adverts and the quick searches that you do, maybe 2 to 5 minutes per day, you will. The deals that you do find are very good. I've bought a lot of houses off Gumtree, and nearly every single one of them has been a full money out deal. So, and similarly with the rental side of things, I've rented a lot of property through Gumtree, and every single one of them has been a sort of below market value rental or a well negotiated rental deal that's, been very profitable for us. So you'll see here we post an advert almost daily, just a mixture of quick home sale stuff all the way through to rent guarantee, although I don't really like the word rent guarantee, but because it's so commonly used now, landlords do know what it means. So I use it, but I don't really operate that way, if that makes sense, because I don't go, I'm going to give you a 5-year guarantee. As I've previously explained in videos, that might not be what the landlord wants. I want to solve that problem first. So, but we just very quick, just bang, 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 sell your own, blah, blah, blah. And then they just can inquire. These are all free. You can just post them in the property wanted section here. And you can post for free. You can see I've been posting for quite some time now, but it's only, the last sort of several years I've really got some traction with this. And then the other alternative is you go hunting for deals. So whilst you've posted your advert, jump in here, have a quick look in property, and then you can go, private houses to rent, rooms to rent, or stuff for sale. You can just, click on your category and then just go into searching. Now, one quick tip, you can see here there's 5572 ads for private rent, so you want to obviously narrow it down. But then down here you want to be selecting private, not agency. The only downside is a lot of agencies have now been ticking themselves as private, so sometimes you have to sift through it all to figure out what you want and get direct to vendors and landlords. But there's no danger getting direct to estate agents. And then I haven't selected my location here, so obviously this is pretty much the whole of the UK, but you just go scrolling. Just like on other property portfolios, obviously, if you limit it down to your area, there's going to be a lot less listings to go through, which makes it easier. And then you just want to be going through it and just seeing if anything jumps out, and then boom, just make an inquiry, message them or call them. And, again, activity levels. So action point today, I want you to go on Canva, and I want you to create one advert, and then I want you to go and post it in the property wanted section. And I want you to go message a minimum of 10 people on Gumtree from adverts that resonate with what you're trying to achieve in your area. So get after that. Once you've done it, tick this section as completed.